So what you are about to see is a roller coaster of emotions from the last few days. Tuning the engine to blowing up. These are all in random order. I'm going to release these in 3 different episodes, and you can understand why I'm tired, exhausted, but still finding the funny side of things. Oh shit! Not even 100 kilometers old, and it looks like that. Holy dooly. Well, hello Starlet. Fortunately, it exploded on the dyno.
You're a tripper, eh? What are you doing that for?
Forged pistons and rods sitting here.
My car would go faster than that with the handbrake on.
Just got Billy removing these spark plugs. How's them plugs going? What have we got here? We got 2 days to go racing, lads. Let's go.
Start on time, cunt.